Hello, everyone. This is a recording of the Week 13 quiz for U.S. History Part B. Please have your own quiz open and follow along as I read the questions on my screen. Question 1. What was one effect the GI Bill had on American society in the post-war era? Deserving soldiers received medals for their service. Veterans received benefits that allowed them to purchase TVs. More veterans were able to attend college for the first time. The military remained at full force. Question 2. Why did the United States experience an era of prosperity after World War II? New companies profited greatly from the internet through advertisements. Americans were finally able to buy affordable goods manufactured in Europe shortly after the war ended. Foreign investors began buying out American businesses. American factories were not destroyed by the war and were able to increase production to sell to foreign countries. Question 3. Although the average American income rose after World War II, poverty still existed in certain areas of the country. In what part of the U.S. was poverty the greatest? On the West Coast, along the Canadian border, in large cities, in rural areas. Question 4. Why was there a baby boom during the post-war era? People were conforming to the trend of having children. People wanted the additional tax exemptions offered for having children. With the war over and the economy growing, people were more prepared to raise children. With additional government programs in place, people were counting on assistance. Question 5. What factor led to the growth of the suburbs following World War II? City housing had been destroyed during the war and needed to be rebuilt. A migration of whites to the north had created a housing shortage in cities. The government offered tax incentives to anyone who moved to the suburbs. Developers built affordable, mass-produced houses in places like Levittown. Question 6. What did the addition of God, under God, to the Pledge of Allegiance and adopting In God We Trust as the national motto signify about life in the 1950s? That there was a religious resurgence and people used religion to show conformity against atheism and communist ideas. The government rewrote the Constitution so there was no longer a separation of church and state. That people were grateful for victory in World War II. That the televangelists were more influential than Congress. Question 7. How did television influence American life beginning in the 1950s? Violent TV shows of the 1950s caused the crime rate to rise. TV created a common culture and developed common social norms. Travel shows heightened interest in seeing all the country and other parts of the world. Advertisements discouraged people from watching TV. Question 8. What was not a result of the car culture that developed in the post-war era? More families were able to live in the suburbs and commute to work. Car sales decreased because people were concerned about fuel consumption. The percentage of families owning cars increased dramatically. Congress passed legislation to construct the interstate highway system. Question 9. What was unique about the election of 1960? Propaganda posters and slogans were used to influence voting. It had the largest voter turnout in U.S. history. It was the first time presidential debates were televised. Computers were used to count votes. And finally, question 10. When Kennedy ran for president, he referred to a new frontier of unknown opportunities and paths. Which of the following would not fit into Kennedy's beliefs and his new frontier plan for the country? The further exploration of space, the increased involvement in young people in politics, the push for social programs that improved education, mental health, and alleviated poverty, raising the voting age because people were too irresponsible for political involvement. Please make sure to hit Submit Quiz when you finish answering each question. Review your answers that you missed, and you do have a second attempt on the quiz then. If you have any questions, please let your teacher know. Good luck.